Hello guys, in this video we will see how to check the status of Docker service on Linux. Then we will see how to start, stop and restart the Docker on Linux. First verify Docker is installed or not by running the command docker version. See, we have installed Docker but cannot connect to Docker daemon. Now verify whether Docker is running or not by running the command sudo systemctl status docker. See, it is inactive. This is stopped 1 minute 22 seconds ago. Press Q from your keyboard to quit. Ctrl L to clear the screen. Now we are going to start the Docker. Sudo systemctl start Docker or give the docker.service. Both are same. It is started. Let's verify. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is running. Now if we run the same Docker version, we will get more info. See here, before we got very less output. Also we got the query whether it's running or not. If you want to restart, sudo, use the same command, sudo systemctl restart, then Docker service. We can also verify Docker by running the command sudo service status service. Then we have to provide the service name, then status. Both are same. See, sudo systemctl status docker. See, both gave the same output. You can use either systemctl or service. But for service, we have to give the service name first and the option later. But for systemctl, we have to give this option first, then service name later. But sudo we have to append. If you connected with root user, then root user or administrator, then no need to provide this sudo. If we want to stop, sudo systemctl stop docker. Or give, if you got this type of error, just give docker.socket. Now verify. Sudo systemctl status then service name docker. Typo. See, Docker is inactive and dead. It is stopped 32 seconds ago. Press Q. If you want to start, sudo systemctl start docker. Again verify. Sudo systemctl status docker. See, it is started and running. So in this video we have seen to check the status of Docker on Linux. Then we have seen how to start, stop, restart the Docker service on Linux. For more Docker videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.